Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And welcome to my Christmas series. This is a special series that I do around Christmas where I make 15 videos for you guys back to back daily. And these videos are more of like holidays and New Year. So if that interests you, then you can definitely watch my previous videos. I would leave a link for it over here or in the description box below. And also stay tuned for my upcoming videos. We are extremely close to the end of this series. So guys, it's New Year's Eve tomorrow and we are almost so near to year 2022. And how could I let this new year start without having a vision board with me? Yes guys, if you know me, you know I really like planning stuff and especially manifesting stuff, and for that I follow making vision board. Yes guys, I prepared a vision board last year for the very first time, and I also wanted to share with you how it went for me. Did it actually work or not? What is the whole concept? What is vision board? How can you make it? How does it help you to manifest your dreams? And there are so many questions. So yes guys, without any further ado, let's get started with the video where I'll be answering all of those questions for you guys. So guys, answering the first question of all, what is vision board? So vision board is a place, a board where you put out your vision for the upcoming year, month or whatever period that you're making it for. Mostly it's meant for an year, that you specially make it during the beginning of the year, so you can prepare one for yourself. And usually it's made for an year, so you make a board, you put out your vision, your goals, your dreams for the upcoming year. And how do you put it out on a board? So you put it out in terms of pictures and words. So basically you cannot be writing everything down. Obviously, I mean you could, but usually how human brain processes is that it captures images better. So it is preferred to put out a lot of images that keep reminding you about your dreams, your goals. And this board basically is a place where you put out the dreams that you have, so you can manifest that into the universe. So it's more of like you are putting out the words, your dreams out in the world to the universe, that you want to achieve this. You definitely have to work for it. Just putting it out on a board or in the universe won't work. But you're also putting it out there as a positive thought, and you're putting all of your force into it, that you actually want to achieve this goal or dream. Hence, vision board is something which can definitely help you achieve your goals and manifest your dreams. I am someone who really believes into it, because anything which is helping me getting closer to my dreams is yay for me. So I hope you get the whole idea of vision board. Now coming on to the types of vision board. So vision board doesn't necessarily have to be on a board only. It could be on a board, a sheet of paper, in a notebook, in your planner. It could also be a digital vision board. And yeah, there are so many forms of vision board. You can have all of your goals and dreams wherever you like, wherever you can keep seeing them on daily. Like if you are a digital person, you can have the vision board created digitally and have it on your desktop's wallpaper or your phone's wallpaper or anywhere that it works for you. Or if you are a person who doesn't want to put out the board, vision board out there in your room for everyone to see, if you're a private person, you can also have it in your planner or your journal or your diary. You can have it in a short form, you can have it in a very detailed form. It's all about how you want it. Now coming on to the question of how to make a vision board. So if you want to see a detailed process of how to make a vision board, I would leave a link for it over here or in the description box below. It is my video. I have shown you in detailed step-by-step process of how to make a vision board at home. You can absolutely go ahead, watch the video and follow those steps, and I'm sure they're gonna work for you. I'll also be showing you a process in this video as well, but that is gonna be a very short form process. So if you want to see every step in detail, then you can watch the video. I would leave a link for it in the description box below. Now coming on to my experience of vision board, how was my experience with vision board? Did it actually work for me? Did it do something for me at all? Or is it absolutely waste of time? If you are new to my channel, you would also want to see my previous year vision board, so you can again watch that vision board. I have shown that in detail, every step of my vision board and every part of my vision board of why I've put out that element if I have. So all of it is there again in the same video. I would leave a link for it in the description box below, but I'll also quickly show you my last year's vision board, and it is here with me. Okay, so this is how my last year's vision board looked like. If you have been following me for a while, this would look a bit familiar. This looked something like this. And talking about the goals that I was able to achieve this year due to this vision board, so the first and the foremost goal which I am extremely proud of has to be this Nykaa X The Kritika Factor collab. Yes, guys, I actually wrote this over here, and this year it happened for me. It was like a dream come true. I didn't even think it was possible. I didn't even think it was possible seeing the stage at I am in my content creation journey, but then this dream actually came true, and I'm so happy about it. And also I had these goals where I wanted to try different nail arts and try my hands on hairstyles and makeup looks. So for this, these were not exactly my goal, but this was something that I had to do and I had to start doing, and for something to uh, keep a reminder on more of like of what I need to accomplish this year. So for nail arts, I definitely did a lot more nail arts. I did step out of my comfort zone, which was the whole point of this picture. I wanted to step out of my comfort zone of nail art. And I also have started my hands on hairstyles. Though I haven't achieved this one yet, but still I have begun the process and I am on that road. And I've also started trying my hands more on the makeup looks like this one. So yeah, I am still on that path. So in this beauty section, we are going pretty strong. Next, coming on to the section of travel. Despite of the second wave of COVID, I actually got a chance to travel. It was a very short trip, but it was more than amazing, and I really needed a break. I extremely did need a break. So it was heaven for me, and I really enjoyed my trip. So my travel goals did come true. I did not know if it was due to vision board or not, but yeah, travel eventually happened for me, and I'm extremely happy for that. And then there were these photography challenges that I had for myself, that I wanted to experiment more with my food content, and I wanted to grow in my photography skills, which I believe I did. I definitely did try a lot more content, lot more food recipes content, and I did experiment a lot with my photography skills, at least a bit according to me. So yeah, again we are on the good track. I did do a Maggie fest. It was not a collaboration with Maggie, but yeah, somewhere around Maggie. So yeah, again in the food section we did pretty well. And coming on to these number goals that I had, I was definitely not able to fulfill these number goals, but I am happy that I had them. I definitely felt a lot bad also that I was not able to fulfill them, but nonetheless I tried to do whatever I could. I definitely did grow. Even if these numbers were not achieved, I did grow a lot in terms of my work. So yeah, that's a lesson learned, and I am absolutely fine about it. And also, not missing out on this section. Yeah, so this is the health section that I had, and this is the only section which went to the bin, absolutely straight away to the bin. I did not meditate, I did not exercise, I did not drink water like I should have. I am very lazy while drinking water, so I do not complete my water goals. And I also did not eat a lot of healthy food. So yeah, this was one section which went to bin absolutely, which should not have been the case, but it did, and I am guilty as charged. But yeah, I have to keep trying and I cannot let it go to the bin every time. So yep, this is how my last year's vision board looks like. I'm really happy with my vision board on a whole, and I really liked it. The whole point of having this in front of my eyes was that it kept motivating me. A lot of times when I felt very sad or disappointed in my personal life, this was something that I looked up to, and the motivational quotes that I had going all along really motivated me, and these were something that gave me a support which I really needed. So even if it did nothing for me, it was a support system for me. These were like few messages that I had from me to me. So yeah, that's a great thing, and for that purpose only I might as well create a new vision board. So after reviewing last year's vision board, let's get on to the process of creating a vision board for the upcoming year of 2022. So I'm gonna be telling you the whole process of making vision board in short over here. If you want it in detail, then you can check out my previous video that I mentioned, and I would leave a link for it in the description box below. So the first step of making the vision board is to actually write down your goals for the upcoming year. So you can write down your health goals, your financial goals, your relationship goals, your travel goals, any and every goal that you have, and a dream that you want to achieve or manifest or fulfill for the upcoming year. Write it down on a paper, make a list of it. You can also divide your goals in different categories of health, travel, work, personal, relationship, etc. Whatever categories you want to have, you can have absolutely n number of categories, because the vision board is all about you and you can make it as you like. So once you've written down everything on paper of what all you want to achieve this year, then we're gonna start to find images for each goal. So for this, you can do two steps. You can go ahead and find magazines for it, like Femina, India Today, etc. Whatever magazine works for you, whatever goals you have according to that. So you can just scan through the old magazines if you have it all, and go ahead and cut out pictures from that. Or you could use Pinterest. So if you are someone, I went on Pinterest and I found a lot of images. I was not able to find a lot of magazines, majorly due to COVID, I believe. Everything has got online, so I had to go to Pinterest and find out images that I wanted for each goal and each thing that I wanted to be there on my vision board. And I found a lot of pictures. I got all of them printed out. And once they were all printed, I took a cardboard board, just like I took one last year, and light a nice candle, set the ambience according to your mood, play your favorite songs, and I started cutting down the printed paper sheets. I cut out all of the images that I had got printed. Once I was done cutting, I started placing them on the vision board as per my choice. You can choose whatever you want. You can go in any manner you want to paste the images on the board, or in a digital format. If you're making a digital vision board, you can go ahead and use the app Canva. It's an amazing app for beginners where you can create your digital vision board very easily. And yeah, just go ahead and put out all of the images as per you. I placed all of the images like I wanted them to be in different categories, and then I started pasting them. I pasted them on their places. I had a lot of quotes going on in my vision board this time, majorly because these quotes were something that kept me going throughout the year. So I wanted to have more of these, and yep, I added a lot of quotes and pictures to my vision board. I made sure of adding smaller pictures this time so that I am able to add more stuff on my vision board. So yeah, this was my layout. I also went ahead and added few stickers. Yes guys, I used some fun stickers and added to my vision board on different places according to the theme to actually make this whole process really creative. You can go as creative as you want with your vision board because it is something that represents you and it is something that you have to see daily, so you can go as creative as you want. And once you've pasted everything, all of the stickers and the images that you had, your vision board is finally ready. Keep this in your room somewhere where you can see it daily. This would remind you of your goals, your achievements, your dreams that you really want to manifest. And this is how my vision board for the year 2022 looked like. I'll just give you a quick tour of this. Okay, so guys, this time my vision board is extremely simple. I have the top heading of 2022 and the main motive of this year is to manifest. I want to attract, manifest good things and all of my dreams and goals in this year. I have also kept travel and self-care in the front, in the center, because self-care is gonna be my motto for this year. The past year I was not able to give myself the time and I was working all the time, so this time the motto is going to be self-care. I've also added a lot of quotes in between if you see, so there are a lot of quotes and small pictures, like I want to just Netflix and chill, I like candles, and then I would also want to have some spa time, some me time, so that's about self-care. I'm also looking forward to traveling a lot this year. I hope it happens and corona doesn't ruin it. For the section of health, I do aim at achieving my health goals this time, at least to meditate, to drink water, to eat healthy and to stay flexible. And also this one is my reminder to take a break from time to time. So yeah, I really hope that at least this time all of these goals are achieved. And for my food goals, I do have a lot of photos going on here which aim that I really need to work on my photography skills and videography skills and need to take my content a notch higher than what I am currently. Then there are a lot of brands that I would love to collaborate with, and then ultimately I have a lot of quotes going on over here. And then I also aim to stay consistent and create more content. That is the whole aim for all of these platforms this year. I'll be focusing on all of them, particularly on YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Blogspot. If you do not know, I already have my blogging website, you can check it out. I would leave a link for it in the description box below. And in the beauty section, again, I really need to work out on my photography skills, on my makeup skills. I need to start practicing some hairstyles and again get better at the nail arts that I do. I really want to have this precision, this kind of photography and these kinds of design going on my Instagram feed. There are again few brands that I would love to collaborate with. And then finally we have some quotes again. So yeah, this is my vision board for the year of 2022. So guys, that's it for my video today. Do let me know if you liked it. Do also let me know if you also make a vision board or if you plan to make one this time. Also, you can let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions at all and I would be happy to help you. And stay tuned for my upcoming Christmas series videos. We are very close to the end and you do not want to miss those videos. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.